Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel. Today you will learn 20 English sentences used in daily life. These sentences are very easy and useful. Let's start. 1. How are you? 2. I am fine, thank you. 3. What is your name? 4. My name is Sad. 5. Nice to meet you. 6. Where are you from? 7. I am from Pakistan. 8. What are you doing? 9. I am going to work. 10. Please help me. 11. Thank you very much. 12. You are welcome. 13. Excuse me? 14. I am sorry. 15. Can you repeat, please? 16. How much is this? 17. I don't understand. 18. That's a good idea. 19. See you later. 20. Have a nice day. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Comment below to learn more English. Allah Hafiz.